What's going on, guys? Kody here from Adventures of a Seaman, checking in from Bingham Falls in the beautiful state of Vermont. Travel along with me as we travel through Vermont and check out some awesome stops along the way. We are here in the beautiful state of Vermont in a little town called Stowe. We made a short drive over to Adam's Apple Orchard. So we're here at the apple orchard. We're going to go through and pick some apples. Everybody's very excited. We're all dressed in our cold gear. It's about 52 degrees outside. So I'm excited. Let's go pick some apples. That fresh morning dew still on there. Who's that? Is it apple? Is that apples? Best part about picking fresh apples. Fresh. Fresh off the tree. Oh, so good. It's so sweet. Oh. Fun. You like your apple? Take a bite. What's going on, guys? We are here at Moss Glen Falls Trail. It is a short little waterfall hike that I'm going to do here in Stowe, Vermont. You know, I couldn't leave here without doing a quick nature hike and getting out to see the beautiful nature that Vermont has to offer. So we're gonna hit this trail and see what there is to explore out here. It is about 54 degrees outside. Definitely a little overcast and rainy, but it is a very quick short hike here to the waterfall area. Oh, we're already approaching. You can hear those rapids coming down. God, it's gorgeous out here. You don't get stuff like this in Florida. This is just different. Really excited. You can see all the mist in the back there coming off the falls. You can hear that water splashing. This is is going to be a really gorgeous waterfall. We're getting close. You can hear it. So we just came up that little switchback there. And it's steep, man. Still more to go. Oh, here we are. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is Moss Glen Falls. Totally worth this very short hike. I think it's about half a mile, not even, from the original trailhead there. What a powerful waterfall though. You can just hear it roaring behind me. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it's actually amazing. I'm gonna get down a little bit lower here. See if I can't get a good picture of it at a better angle. It is definitely steep and very slick here. So I want to try and be careful. I'm actually gonna go under this rope that says stay on the trail, but if you want the best views, sometimes you gotta break some rules. Holy cow, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. We are at our next stop here at Bingham Falls and Smuggler's Notch State Park here in the beautiful state of Vermont. This is our next waterfall hike that I plan on doing while we were here. And you guys are lucky enough to come along with me. Remember guys, if you like these videos, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Adventures of a Seaman. We go outdoors, do all sorts of adventures all over the United States, sometimes outside of the United States, depending on what our budget can afford. But it's viewers like you that keep me doing these videos, so please take your time to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Adventures of a Seaman. So as we're getting closer here, you can actually kind of start to hear the roar of the waterfall here. Wow. Get down to the best spot here. Sometimes you gotta go where you're not meant to go. Be careful because it is very slick here. What's going on guys? I'm here at Bingham Falls in Vermont. Just what an absolutely breathtaking view we have here behind me. I love getting outside and doing these videos because you get to see things like this that not a lot of other people are seeing. You know, it's rainy outside, it's wet outside, but there's nobody out here. It's just me. That's kind of why I like getting out. Even when it's raining, you kind of just got to go explore the outdoors, because you just get these awesome shots, these beautiful scenes, and there's just nothing like being in nature. Just what a view, man. I can't even describe it. There's nothing like being out here. Nobody else out here. You just kind of got to take it all in, you know? So I was just at the top of Bingham Falls. Now we're gonna head down to the base here, down these very steep rock stairwell. We're gonna get a view looking up. Here we are. Welcome to Bingham Falls. If you haven't already, guys, be sure to stop by my channel, hit that like, share, and subscribe button so I can keep making these awesome videos for you. I appreciate you guys tuning into my channel, Adventures of a Seaman. Stay adventurous and go find the next adventure.